Welcome back to AMT. It's been a minute. Been working on some other stuff while the R34.5 is at bodywork and paint. We did get some stuff though for the car, which I will show you at the end of the episode. We got some boxes here, some more boxes. It's wheels, tires, and a bunch of carbon fiber stuff. We'll get to that in a little while. What have I been working on in the meantime? Been helping my buddies here with the minis over here. Been helping them develop a front subframe for the Honda D series swap. The subframes that are currently available aren't very good, so we figured that we could do something that's a bit better, a bit more user-friendly. So just been working on that. Here's a quick look. I don't want to get into too many details on it because we're still developing it, but that's all you're going to see. That's all you're going to see of that for now. We've got this old school Series 2 in here. It's got a 1990 200 TDI diesel motor in it. This is just in for some miscellaneous work. I had to fix the exhaust so that was fully connected, mount the air box, and there's a bunch of other little nitpicky things that need to be sorted out. And today I'm working on this Subaru STI. So been pulling off the side skirts and fenders because we got the SEIBON carbon fiber fenders going on. They're not the greatest fitment currently. Still trying to work on this. I've got this sitting as good as I can. I'd like it to be in a bit more, but that's just how it's sitting. And then the front, this hole here is meant to line up with this hole down here, and well, that's not gonna happen. I'm basically done on the driver's side. I'm going to start on the passenger side and get this fender off and start mounting up the carbon one, and then I am going to line up the front bumper, and once I got the front bumper lined up to the fenders, then I'm going to pull the bumper off, install the headlights, and then put the bumper back on. So that's where we're standing. I'm going to throw you on a time lapse probably and bust out this other fender. got the fenders mounted up as best as it's going to be. I can only tweak carbon fiber so much. We got the door gap looking good. It's protruding just a tad, but that's what it is. The head gaps are pretty good. They're even on both sides, which is nice. The hard part I had was here. This didn't want to match up. This is a fiberglass body kit front bumper, and it didn't line up with the factory fenders at all, but I got it to line up really good with the carbon. Just that little bit there. Same on the other side. So this little bit here sticks out. I heated this up and pushed it in, which helped a bit. Next up, I just got to remount the side skirts, get the fender liners in. I got to do a slight bit of work on the rear. Just show you what's going on there. So this bumper's loose, it's missing the bracket. We have a new one of those and a trim piece here that needs to go on, and then that'll be sorted. Then the wheels can go back on and this car will be done. Just finish it up. Get back to you in a minute. As promised, here's all our parts for the R35 when it comes back from paint. Where to start? These are the new tires. These things are quite sticky. Lifting. These are, what are these? Rydans, Redimax. Don't ask me what the brand is, but they look pretty slick. These are our custom wheels. So we're doing staggered. We're about an inch different front to rear. And these were custom made to our offsets and clearance for the brake caliper. So we got millimeters to spare with these wheels, but 18-inch, and they should clear the R35 brakes. We got rear diffuser. These are rear diffuser mounting things. These are for the diffuser as well. We got a dual layer rear wing. Pretty cool. It came with 2 sets of standoffs. So we got the high set and we got the low set, and we're probably going to run the low set. These are the door panel garnish. They will look where they covered these fake carbon ones with real carbon, and that just goes on the B pillar. And then we also have in here our carbon fiber vent shades for the doors. So all that stuff will look pretty slick when done. I'm going to do mounting and balancing of the tires right now. I got to put in new TPMS sensors and all that stuff, get that all set up, and then the wheels will be ready to go on once the car shows up, and it's going to look mint. I can't wait. So stay tuned, keep you posted on what's going on, and hold on till the next update. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.